All right, this way.
Are you aware if you have any warrants out right now?
I don't believe I do.
Okay.
I do have $7,000 in cash in here.
Okay.
I'm just making sure. I don't want you to touch my money.
Everything's gonna be in sight. I'm not.
My keys.
Yep.
On December 16th, 2025, TSA officials discovered multiple forged identification documents in a traveler's carry-on luggage. What followed raises critical questions about identity fraud and constitutional rights.
Nothing. Just forgot something in my bag, and they said they stopped me for it.
Okay. Do you know what's with all the IDs?
I forgot them. I was supposed to get rid of them, and they just threw them in the bag. So.
What do you have this for?
They're old. I don't even use them anymore. They were left them. I grabbed the luggage and they were in there. I didn't take the time to take them out. On top of the stuff that was in there, and I just took the bag easily. My boyfriend needed me to come somewhere, so that's where I was going.
Where are you flying to?
To Pennsylvania, Scranton.
Which are they all you, or are they all somebody else? What's
the picture is me, but
it's
different.
So what's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
It's Quishan.
It's what?
Quishan.
Okay. So now these match up to you.
Yeah, no, I have my real ID.
Oh,
You have your real ID?
I just use my ID to get in.
Yeah,
Okay.
can we see that? Is that what the boarding pass is under?
Yes, that's my name.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Any other stuff like that in the bag? Or?
That was it. I mean, I didn't even know what it alarmed for, to be honest. So.
Oh, I'm not sure. They just call me because they see there's all the different socials and the stuff with different.
Okay. Keep on there.
Well, I gotta call my boss and then we'll just go from there. All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna miss my flight.
What time is your flight leave?
5:50.
It's possible. I'm not sure.
That's okay. I just never seen that before. Like,
What's that?
like they telling me one thing and then you taking something out of my bag, touching my stuff. So you said it was a sharp object in the bag.
Sure.
I told you it was needles. But,
Yeah, I'm not sure how they came across the stuff.
Yeah, me neither. I'm completely confused.
What they said? Yeah, so we'll gather up all your stuff and we'll head downstairs and we can talk more and nobody needs to know what's going on.
That's fine.
Alright.
Do you have a boarding pass on you?
A boarding pass? Yeah.
Can we get the other luggage? All this luggage and stuff? I got it. Alright, so we're just going to go downstairs, okay? We're going to go to our office.
What's that? Yeah, we're good.
Oh my dick, so bad.
Any other luggage? Did you check any other luggage?
I don't check luggage.
Okay, just to carry on? Here. I can take your stuff, right? So when we go downstairs.
Oh, you want my phone?
Yeah, I'll take all your stuff because when we go downstairs, I gotta put you in our office. So.
Oh, well, we could do that when we get done. We got my money. So what's the process once I get downstairs, you said?
So we gotta call our boss and then we're gonna go from there. All right?
Okay.
You ever been arrested before for anything? Okay. All right, this way.
Are you aware if you have any warrants out right now?
I don't believe I do.
We'll just stop right there. So everything that you have on you, I'll take the phones and the bags.
Okay.
Anything in your pockets.
So let's just be clear for one thing before you take my bag. I do have $7,000 in cash in here.
Okay.
I'm just making sure. I don't want you to touch my money.
Everything's gonna be in sight. I'm not.
My keys.
Yep. Anything I can take the headphones too. Anything in your pockets or you want to stand up? I'll just quick. I'm gonna turn around face there. Pockets. Here, so you can have it. Oh, just take this.
Oh, you give me my ID back?
Yeah, we got all your stuff here. You're good. You can take your coat off if you want. So you're being detained right now?
Okay.
we're gonna get some
just
info.
just
as
read
to
them as sure.
If you desire a lawyer but cannot afford one, one will be provided to you without a cost. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Now that I've advised you of your rights, are you willing to answer my questions without preparing? So
Did you put his ID back in here?
No, I got his ID with the.
Okay.
It's up to you. So you can answer yes or no.
Well, are you willing to answer questions? That's what he's asking.
I mean, it depends on what you're asking. My keys are right there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put everything right here. Well, it's it all depends on that's why he's reading you your rights. If you're willing to answer questions that we ask you, that's all. It's up to you.
Okay.
So yes or
Okay.
well, mainly it's going to be about the social security cards, the IDs. So okay. That's what this was. That's not.
That's my brother.
Oh
That's,
okay.
no, that's
His
not.
debit card is in there as well.
Okay.
We have the same exact house. If you look at my ID, we have the same exact address.
Okay.
Okay.
He's 52289. I'm 51591. That's my parents' first son.
Does he know you have his?
Yes, he knows that. I have his debit card as well.
Okay. Is it okay if I just take everything else out of here just to look?
You're doing it, so why would you ask me?
No. So I was just asking if it's okay.
Alright, so this is him right here.
Okay, this is, and then you said that's your brother.
That's my brother. The address is the same. We're born in the same month, different year, 2 years apart. Like, yeah, it's my brother.
I'll just call dispatch to confirm the other two things, and then we'll gather info. Then I'll call Sergeant. I know. Right now, I'm gonna be honest with you because I asked about those warrants.
Yeah.
I'm gonna confirm something.
Okay.
So do you know your social? I appreciate you being honest too.
Yeah, you can
What would I be lying for?
just get
Alright, I'll call.
E-Justice fired up and you can start. Just run into that. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me just go take care of that.
Found it?
Right. No. Well, he's only
Yeah.
That's why I was a little
Yeah.
confused.
Gotcha.
But I'm not. I mean, I'm not giving you a hard time. It's not that deep.
Yeah.
Like, that's what it is for real.
What'd they tell you? I
He
mean,
told me he was looking for a sharp object. So he asked me, was there anything in there? I said I have insulin because I'm diabetic. So I travel with my insulin. I had there's needles in there.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Like, you start coming through papers, pulling out folders. I'm going. So, yeah, of course, I give you a hard time.
Every airport's different.
It's that, like, everybody, I can't really take it. So I have to use my passport for all of that.
you said you were willing to talk to us, answer our questions.
Yes.
How'd you come about the social security cards?
What you saying?
How'd you come about them? Like, did you find them? Did you make them? Did you?
I mean, did I find them? Did I make them? Yeah, I'm not. I ain't a lawyer. I'm not. So
Oh, okay. Did
I find them? Did I make them? They wasn't even supposed to be in here. So, like, that's why I'm just sort of confused. But what other questions do you have?
I'm sure when I talk to our boss, we'll have more.
Y'all keep saying the rules.
Well, because we're just deputies, so we gotta call out to our sergeant and let him know what's going on. Call the sergeant and see what he's thinking.
Before running.
Yeah, because these, if he just had them, we didn't try using them, but these,
He had them, but they're
yeah,
real.
that's what I don't know what. So
Hold on, wait. What? I had what? For what?
So
what's
right
that?
now you're in possession of real social security cards, but you're also in possession of fake IDs, but you weren't intending to use the IDs. Because like you said, you presented this ID to TSA, correct? Okay. All right.
That's not.
Yeah, no, like we're just trying to.
Like I said, we're just looking into the social securities. That's all. So that's all. Like I said, we're just being detained for that investigation, and then
That's fine. Yeah, unzip it.
well, TSA kind of just.
Fuck my shit up. Yeah, and what they probably was looking for was in that bag. Like, I don't believe that they was going to that they went in that bag.
So now you didn't want to answer some questions. Can I ask why you have them? Do you
Honestly, like I told you, I forgot they were even in there. Like, I wasn't, it's probably something I wasn't thinking about. I was trying to get to that to do with me. I have to know.
Okay.
That's it. It wasn't about
Where is he again? You're meeting him?
He's in Pennsylvania.
He's
I
in
applied to Washington through IAD.
Gotcha.
Another one.
Oh, yeah. Do you know how many you have exactly?
I honestly, like, to be honest, I just grabbed that bag to put my stuff in. You see, the shit is literally came out of the dryer and I just threw it in there. That's what I did.
Okay, sorry.
Under the administrative search exception to the Fourth Amendment, airport screenings are constitutionally permissible. In United States v. Davis, 1973, the court held that passengers have reduced privacy expectations and consent to search when entering secure areas. The discovery of 14 forged documents provides probable cause for arrest. Terry v. Ohio established that reasonable suspicion allows brief investigatory stops, but multiple forged IDs clearly exceed this threshold, justifying full custodial arrest. The federal statute at issue is 18 U.S.C. Section 1028, prohibiting fraud with identification documents. Penalties reach 15 years imprisonment. Additionally, 42 U.S.C. Section 4, 108 addresses. Social Security number misuse with intent to deceive. A critical issue is the absence of Miranda warnings. Miranda v. Arizona requires that suspects in custody be advised of Fifth Amendment rights before interrogation. The question is whether this detention constitutes custodial interrogation. When the suspect asks, "Do I need to call my lawyer?" the deputy correctly refuses legal advice. Officers have no duty to advise suspects whether to invoke rights. Invocation must be clear and unambiguous, such as, "I want a lawyer." The suspect makes several damaging statements. Admitting he forgot the documents and was supposed to get rid of them establishes knowing possession, a key element of the crime. His implausible explanations may demonstrate consciousness of guilt. Inconsistent stories undermine credibility. First claiming he forgot them, then saying he grabbed luggage without checking. Prosecutors will use these contradictions to argue he knew exactly what he was doing. The deputies demonstrate professional conduct throughout. They maintain calm demeanors, properly document the $7,000 in cash, and consult supervisors before finalizing charges on this serious felony matter. Moving the suspect to a private office shows good judgment. It maintains dignity, avoids public spectacle, and provides a controlled environment. This aligns with professional policing standards.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what they found.
It is, the warrants are confirmed.
Okay.
So.
Warrants?
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
saying
so-
we have warrants with other police departments. They
No,
want
no,
to talk to
What
you.
police department?
City of Albany and Guilderland.
Oh, I didn't know that thing. That's about like non-apparent or some shit from years ago.
Ah, okay.
City of Albany. What would I have a warrant in Albany for?
I'm not sure.
That's gotta be like some ticket or some shit. That can't be nothing serious. One of these warrants, where did these warrants from?
I'm not sure. I just they said your name matches them, so they want to talk to you.
They want to show up for me?
Yeah, well, yeah, both police departments. They need to either get with you in person or
I don't
something.
believe that. I think that they're gonna say what they always say. It's not nothing to put me up on.
Well, yeah, sorry, we haven't reached out to them yet. That's all.
Okay.
But it's just it's
But
one of
you
those.
just said they want to talk to
It's
you.
one of those things where. Well, because in the system it shows like, hey, reach out to this police department. They may want to speak with you. They have open case or something going on.
Yeah, that was like a probation thing.
Yeah.
I paid a deficit, kind of. Yeah, that was years ago. I'm thinking you talking all that. So.
Gotcha. Well, he's just saying. Well, like I said, I don't know what we're doing yet. He's just letting them know that about the socials.
Okay.
And
Check
then,
on my lawyer.
what's that?
Check on my lawyer.
I can't tell you what to do regarding that.
Okay. I'm just asking you, like, is it necessary? Do I need to call my lawyer?
If you did need to make a call, I can.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
At this time, I'm just asking
Yeah.
you, do I need to call my lawyer?
Like I said, I can't advise you on what you should do, or I can't tell you to call one or not to call
You're a
one.
sheriff.
Yeah, but I'm not a lawyer. You know what I mean? I can't tell you need to call one or to not call one.
Yeah, he said start possession of a forged.
Okay.
So, alright. So our sergeant's gonna come down. We're gonna do some paperwork with you.
That's okay.
Alright. I'll split it. I'm sorry, what?
I said, what else?
Well, so
So is he going to get charged with it?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay,
so
so-
it sounds like you will get charged with the Social Security cards.
That's okay.
Okay.
And then after that, we have to contact Albany and Guilderland to see if they want to talk to you.
That's okay.
It's a good chance they might just say, hey, come back on your own time.
The key lesson for citizens. Invoke your rights clearly. Say I am invoking my right to remain silent or I want an attorney. Then stop talking. Asking should I call a lawyer is not the same as invoking the right to counsel. Do not make implausible excuses. Weak explanations can hurt more than help. If your story strains credibility, it may be viewed as consciousness of guilt. When in doubt, remain silent. Physical compliance is essential. Never resist arrest, even if you believe it's unlawful. Resisting adds charges and creates safety risks. Challenge the arrest in court, not on the street. For law enforcement, provide Miranda warnings proactively in gray areas. While not always legally required during investigative stops, they eliminate suppression issues and demonstrate constitutional caution. Document everything immediately. When suspects disclose cash or valuables, acknowledge and record it. This protects both parties from later disputes. Bodycam footage is invaluable for this purpose. Remember these legal principles. Terry v. Ohio allows brief stops with reasonable suspicion. Probable cause allows arrest. 14 forged documents clearly establish probable cause. Miranda rights must be invoked clearly and unambiguously. Officers cannot provide legal advice. The right to remain silent protects against self-incrimination, but only if you actually invoke it. This case demonstrates professional law enforcement responding to serious federal crimes. The suspect's failure to invoke Fifth Amendment rights after asking about a lawyer was a critical error that damaged his legal position. Understanding constitutional rights is essential. These protections balance public safety with individual liberty, ensuring fair treatment under law. Knowledge of these rights can make the difference in any police encounter. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.